Well, hello everyone. Tonight we are making lemon pepper chicken wings. And we will need garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, cayenne pepper, onion powder, lemon, and pepper seasoning. I'm going to also use Old Bay garlic and herb seasoning along with chicken seasoning, and then we're going to coat everything with the olive oil. So I have about 12 wings that's actually soaking in water and vinegar and salt in my sink. And once that is done, we are going to season everything, and we are using the magic air fryer, my ninja. Yay, yay. So once the wings are finished soaking and thawing out in the sink, I will come back to you and we will mix all the ingredients together. Okay, I have the wings. I've dried them off so that the oil will be able to stick to them. I'm just going to coat it with some oil so it won't stick to the air fryer. We're going to use some garlic powder. And of course you can use as little or as much as you like. That's about a tablespoon. I'm going to use some Italian seasonings. Just a little bit of Italian seasoning. Some Old Bay garlic and herbs. Some onion powder. Now try to use the same equal amounts of garlic powder and onion powder. Some chicken seasoning. This is salty, so I'm not going to use that much, probably about a teaspoon of it. Lemon pepper, which is what we're making, so don't be lenient on the lemon pepper, lemon garlic, because that's what we want to taste. I'm going to use some more pepper on there. And just for a kick, cayenne pepper. Of course, this is optional. You know I like spicy food, so. Now I'm going to rinse my hands and we're going to mix this up. Okay, I just washed my hands. I'm going to give this a good mix and see if we need any more seasonings in here. I think that it's ample what we used. If you want to use gloves, feel free to use gloves. Tonight, it's just me and the man. So this is what we're doing. If I was cooking for you, I would definitely use some gloves. But believe me, my hands are clean and I don't have no nails on. My nails are removed because I knew I would be messing with some chicken this week. So just want to mix this very well. Show all the ingredients on each piece of the wing that we have in the bowl. These are some gigantic wings, you guys. So tonight I want to use the air fryer on a temperature of 325 and let these cook. Okay, so that's the lemon pepper chicken wings, coated very well. I think I may use some more cayenne pepper. Of course, that's optional, I said, so just want a little kick in it tonight with the lemons and the pepper. Okay. And if you want to let these sit in the refrigerator and marinate for a while, you may do so. It's really up to you. Let me rinse my hands again. Okay, these are the seasoned lemon pepper wings before they go into the air fryer. As you see, they are coated very well. So let's place the chicken wings in the air fryer. I'm gonna make 2 batches tonight, you guys, so. So far, I have 2 for, let's probably get another one in there. Let's do 6 and 6. Let's do all legs in this one. So there's the wings in the air fryer. So those are the wings going into the air fryer. I'm going to set this on 325 after I turn it on here. I guess I should plug it in, y'all. It is plugged in. Okay, it's on. Okay, let's drop this temperature down to 325. And we're going to set this timer. Let's do 40 minutes since I got it on 325. And every 15 minutes, I am going to come back and turn them. So let's start. So I paused the Ninja air fryer, and this is how the wings look in 10 minutes. So I'm going to flip them and let them cook another 10 minutes. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes. So I'm going to flip them again. I said every 10 minutes I'm going to flip them because I don't want them to be unevenly cooked. Place them back in there. So it's been 20 minutes thus far. You want to take a peek, see how it look? Give me 1 second. So we get a good picture there. So that's basically 20 minutes. So steam coming out of there, so forgive me. I'm gonna start this again and turn it again in 10 minutes. So it's been another 10 minutes and these look good, you guys. Oh my. That's a winner. 20 minutes. Plus another 10. That's 30 minutes on 325. I'm going to go ahead and take them out and put the other batch in. These look good, you guys, and they smell delicious. Let me grab the other batch. The other one's pretty much drumlets. These are pretty much the flat wings with 2 of the legs. So, put this back in here. I'm going to stop this, okay? And I'm going to put it back on 325. And we're going to do, since that took 30 minutes, we're going to set this for 30, and every 10 minutes we're going to flip the wings. So once this batch gets done, I'll come back and show you the finished product. So I completed the second batch, and this is the finished product. Doesn't that look good, you guys? I mean, this chicken smells delicious. I know you want me to sample one, right? Let me grab this leg back here. Yeah. See. Crunchy. I know it's going to be crunchy. Let me get a bite for you. Mmm. Mmm. This is seasoned to perfection. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Now I'm gonna have this tonight with corn on the cob and mashed potatoes. But feel free, you can eat these wings like they are. You want to grab a piece of bread, you may. You can also use any type of barbecue sauces or hot sauces that you like on here. But I just wanted to come and show you the finished product. You know, I do thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, please share this video with your friends and family members. Don't forget to leave your comment below and hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button below and the bell next to it so you will be notified on my next upload. Until then, have a good evening. God bless you, and I'll see you tomorrow.